What's up, Patty? This database, man, I woke up this morning to this story, man. As you can see, this is called Mount Hood. It's in Oregon, and it's supposed to be one of the tallest mountains in the country, I believe. But as you can see, it's filled with ice and snow. And I just got one question. What in the hell do people get out of climbing these damn mountains? I know they say it's good for adrenaline or whatever, but it makes no sense to me. There's no way in hell I'm gonna climb no goddamn ice-filled, snow-covered mountain, right? Unless I'm just ready to die, and don't give a damn, about what happens after I climb this damn mountain. And the only way I'm gonna climb this damn mountain is if it's a helicopter gonna be over my head every step of the way. Because you being a young black man, we just don't do stuff like this, man. And a tragedy happened. Somebody fell off the damn mountain. And I'm not sure if he survived or not, but we're going to watch this clip and find out. But, being a young black man, climbing mountains is not something that we want to do in our pastime. Even if I was to make a bucket list, climbing mountains would not be on that damn bucket list. Jumping out of airplanes wouldn't be on the bucket list. The only thing probably would be on my bucket list if I traveled somewhere, like to Kemet or Africa. It's going to have to be a black land. But climbing mountains will not be on my bucket list. Now let's find out what happened after these idiots climbed the damn mountain.
This morning, approximately 10:30 a.m., the sheriff's office received a report of a fallen climber. It was reported that the climber had fallen approximately 700 to 1,000 feet off of Hogsback and was injured. At the time, there were 2 eyewitnesses to the fall. However, there was nobody with the fallen climber at the time.
Hold on. Did I see somebody with no shirt on? Let's run that back.
This morning, approximately 10:30 a.m., the sheriff's office received a report of a fallen climber. It was reported that the climber...
Oh, he had a shirt on. It looked like it's an orange shirt. Man, look at him. They're trying to flag down some attention, man. This is tragic, man. See, I wouldn't even have been up there. Now, I know if these people got life insurance, I'm quite sure their life insurance is not going to pay for no tragic accident like this.
Had fallen approximately 700 to 1,000 feet off of Hogsback and was injured. At the time, there were 2 eyewitnesses to the fall. However, there was nobody with the fallen climber at the time. We immediately activated our search and rescue team, who began the normal search and rescue procedures of notifying their partners.
Damn, he said was nobody with the fallen climber at the time. So he was by himself. He must have left the pack to go and do some stuff on his own. I mean, look at it. It's full of ice and snow. Man, shit. The average citizen won't even drive their damn car in the snow, or if they know it's ice on the damn road. So I don't get it. I don't know what they get out of climbing these damn mountains.
It was later determined that additional climbers had made it down to the fallen climber and were rendering aid. That fallen climber has since been airlifted out of Hogsback area to Emmanuel Hospital. I do not know the status or extent of his injuries at this time. Another group, we were notified that there was another group of 3 to 4 people. Turns out there was actually 4 of them that were stranded on Hogsback. They are still up there. We have made communications with them again. We have been told that they are safe. They do have one person that is injured. It does not sound like they are life-threatening injuries. They state that they have food and water for a day. However, the ascent and descent from that location they describe as severely hazardous, with falling rock and fallen ice. They have been asked to stay put. We are sending rescuers up there to assess the situation and get them out as safely as possible. We have also received word that there are another 3 to 4 climbers above them that are going through the hazardous conditions now, making their way down to the Hog's Back location. One of our concerns is that it is forecasted at 1 a.m. the weather is supposed to turn south here. Rain, snow, winds. We're trying to do everything we can to get everyone down safely before that weather hits us. I can't speak firsthand. I can only speak to what we've been told. We've been told that, again, it's treacherous. There's fallen rock and ice, which is normal when you have freezing at night and then it gets so warm during the day. It creates a very hazardous and treacherous situation up on the mountain.
Damn, look at that mountain, man. You know, from the distance of from where they took this picture to that mountain is the closest I will get to that damn mountain. Then they gotta be, I don't know, for that mountain to look that small from this area, wherever they took the picture at, they had to be a long way away from that mountain. And that would be about the closest I would get to the damn mountain. I think, man, they should ban goddamn mountain climbing. Unless you got a death wish, you don't care if you die or not. You know, and all they had is one day's worth of food. So, you know, I don't know. What you get, some kind of trophy or something, or some kind of award if you climb a damn mountain? I don't get it, man. So, I don't know. I just wanted to report on this and let you guys know how ridiculous this sounds to me. So, I don't know. More power to you mountain climbers. I'm sorry, I will not be joining you.